Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add stickers on Discord mobile. So guys, first of all we have to download the stickers. You can download from the various sites. So just open the Chrome browser and type for Discord stickers download, and you can go to this site and you can choose any category from here. So if suppose if you want to download animated, you can choose here. So I'm gonna choose this one looks great. So yeah, let's download this one. Just tap on the download sticker and it will be downloaded, and it is animated sticker. So once you download, just you can download multiple stickers from here. So I've just downloaded one, and now it's time to add to Discord. Just tap on the Discord app to open it. Once you open, choose the server where you want to upload or add stickers. So suppose this is my server where I'm going to upload or add my stickers. Just tap on three dot on the top, go to settings, and now you will see this option here, emojis. Just tap on it. So you can see I have already added two stickers, customized stickers, and it is said that you can upload up to 50 custom emoji on Discord mobile. So I have 48 slots to upload. So since I have already uploaded two, so now tap on upload emojis and upload and you can scale this. So I'm gonna keep it at the original ratio and tap on it. So you can see that it has been uploaded, and let's name it something else. So what was the meme it was? So let's name it chicken. Tap on OK. Now go back to server, and if you want to send this customize emoji, tap on emoji icon, and you can see at the top you can see the resend and customize emojis here. Just tap on it to send, and now tap on it. So you can see that it has sent to the server. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.